Can you believe these athletes once made millions, but ended up broke? Let's see who lost it all. Before we start, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate,
Cheryl Swoops lost $5 million, poor business decisions. Eric Jemba lost $6 million, overspending and bad deals. Marion Jones lost $7 million, legal issues and lost endorsements. Johnny Manziel lost $8 million, party lifestyle and bad contracts. Paul Merson lost $10 million, gambling addiction. Adriano lost $10 million, addiction and poor lifestyle. Tyson Fury lost $10 million, depression and overspending before comeback. John Arne Reese lost $15 million, debt and failed investments. Diego Costa lost $15 million, tax fines and poor planning. Paul Gascoigne lost $20 million, addiction and poor money handling. Vince Young lost $25 million, overspending and poor advice. David James lost $25 million, overspending and bad investment. Riddick Bowe lost $30 million, poor management and legal issues. Dennis Rodman lost $30 million, legal issues and alcohol abuse. Lenny Dykstra lost $40 million, real estate crash and legal troubles. Kurt Schilling lost $50 million, failed gaming company. Boris Becker lost $50 million, failed ventures and tax evasion. Kenny Anderson lost $60 million, divorce and bad financial planning. Terrell Owens lost $80 million, bad management and child support debts. Warren Sapp lost $82 million, bad investments and lavish spending. Diego Maradona lost $100 million, tax issues and addiction. Michael Vick lost $100 million, legal cases and prison sentence. Antoine Walker lost $108 million, gambling and bad investments. Scottie Pippen lost $120 million, bad investments and fraud by advisor. Allen Iverson lost $200 million, lavish lifestyle and poor financial control. Evander Holyfield lost $230 million, overspending and failed businesses. Mike Tyson lost $250 million, bad management and overspending. Money can disappear faster than fame. Which one surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.